the second part of ratio, proportion and unitary method, that is proportion. First, you have to understand the definition of proportion. The definition of proportion is, if two ratios are equal, we say that they are in proportion and use the symbol that is to or equal to, which equate the two ratios. If two ratios are equal, suppose first ratio is A is to B and the second ratio is C is to D, then we can say that if A is to B and B is to C both are same, then we can say that A is to B and B is to C are in proportion. Now, four numbers in proportion. Four numbers A, B, C, D, where A, B, C, D are the four numbers, are said to be in proportion if A is to B is equal to C is to D, and we write A is to B, then proportion C is to D or is to or equal to, where the first and fourth term, are called extremes and second and third terms are called means. And the formula of this, that is product of extreme equal to product of means.